I am your brain speaking. I control the nervous system. I am placed safely inside the skull. I am responsible for your muscle control and coordination. I make a vision more meaningful with my sensory reception. I coordinate speech with your tongue and vocal cords. I remember all your information in my memory. I manage your thoughts and emotions. Without me, none of your other organs can perform smoothly. I regulate your blood pressure and breathing. I am the largest and the most complex organs of your body. I contain 100 billion nerves and communicate in trillions of connections. I weigh around 1300 to 1400 grams approximately in an adult. And in an infant, I weigh 350 to 400 grams. I have a few gigabytes of storage space, but my nerves combine to increase my memory to 1 million gigabytes. Though my memory capacity is unlimited, you still remember to forget things. Yet I am very busy working throughout your conscience. And using only 10% of my capacity is just a myth. Puzzles, chess and reading can improve my memory capabilities. I remain conscious for 10 to 20 seconds even after being decapitated. I am made up of 80% water. I work on 10 watts of power. I use 20% of oxygen and blood in your body. Without me, you wouldn't have viewed, read or understood this video. And that's how powerful I am. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, like, share, comment, subscribe, click the bell icon, choose all options, support and motivate us. Till we meet again, take care, bye bye, thank you.